Hoover's Sous Vide H system lets you create super healthy restaurant quality food at home. It's really easy to use. You just put your meat, fish or vegetables into a vacuum bag and pop them into the system's vacuum sealing drawer. The drawer will remove the air from the bag to lock in the food's freshness and flavor. Then when it comes to cooking, you just set the right time and temperature on the control panel, and the oven will use steam to cook it slowly and evenly. Steam cooking also helps lock in texture and nutrients, so you'll get healthy and delicious results every time.